For the last two problems, you're just gonna pull out those key ingredients here, your first term, your common ratio, and your n, okay? And we're looking for which one would represent the sum of the distance he traveled over the 8-week training period, right? So if we take a look at these two options, those both look like they're in the format here of this geometric, sum of this geometric series, okay? It looks like they distributed the A1, so all looks good, okay? But down here doesn't look so good, right? What's 1 minus 1.1? That's certainly not 0.9, so this isn't gonna work. And this one has an n up here. Not gonna work here. Let's go looking over to the left side where we have our sigma notation, meaning the sum of the terms from 1 to 8 substituted into this formula. This does look like the appropriate geometric series formula, or sequence formula, excuse me. We have our first term, 6. Okay, we have our common ratio of 1.1 to the n minus 1. So n would be 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up to 8. Plug that in, and you'd get the sum of that series. So it looks like choice 1 is the right answer here. Did you guys find that on your calculator? If you go to Alpha Window, there it is, number 2. And then you can plug it all in, whether you use x or n, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use x. I'm just going to show you how this works. Starting at 1, go all the way to 8, and then you would just type in exactly what the explicit formula is here. I've got to use the same variable there. So it looks like in the 8-week period, he ran 68.6 miles. Alrighty, that's not what the answer is, but that's how you would use that. The next one is just incredibly wordy, got a lot of variables going on, but it's not difficult if you slow it down, okay? So they give you everything you need, the R, the N, the M is the, where am I looking for? It's the size of the mortgage, excuse me, took me forever to find that. T is the time, 15 is the time, and I strongly recommend figuring out what P is first, okay? 1 plus R divided by N, round it to the nearest thousandth. There it is. Then take that, plug the M, the P, the N, and the T all into this crazy looking formula, just like so. Type it all into your calculator, making sure you have parentheses where they need to be. This should, if you type it in all at once, that needs to all be in parentheses. You should get $1,729. Hopefully that helped a little bit. Keep in touch.